Here's what to expect before, during, and after your smart meter installation. So, you've booked your free smart meter installation with British Gas. Great. We'll send you a few reminders as we get closer to your installation date. If you need to reschedule or cancel, that's easy to do through your online account. Before your appointment, there are a few things you can do to get ready. Firstly, your power will be off for a short time. So, please let us know beforehand if you have any medical equipment that could be affected if you're without electricity. And remember to charge any important devices like your phone. Clear the area around your meters so our smart energy expert can get straight to work when they arrive. And lastly, remember that someone over the age of 18 will need to be at home for the whole appointment. During the installation, on the day, our smart energy expert will give you a call when they're on their way. Please let them know if you're hearing or visually impaired, or if it might take you longer to answer the door. Now's also a good time to pop any pets in another room. When our engineer arrives, the first thing they'll do is carry out a safety check on your gas appliances if you're having a smart gas meter fitted. Then it'll take around an hour to install each smart meter, so roughly 2 hours in total if you're upgrading both meters. During this time, they'll need to shut off your gas or electricity for approximately half an hour. Then they'll show you how to use your smart energy monitor. And if you have a prepayment meter, also known as a pay-as-you-go meter, they'll explain all the ways you can top up too. So your smart meter installation has gone ahead. That means no more meter readings, as your smart meters will send us them automatically. From now on, your bills will be more accurate, as you'll only pay for the energy you use. And if you're on pay-as-you-go, you can now top up online, right from the comfort of your sofa. If you like to keep track of what you're spending, your new smart energy monitor will show you how much you're using in pounds and pence. You can turn it on and off whenever you like. Your smart energy monitor can take up to 7 days to be activated after your smart meter is installed.